In this presentation, you're going to see the employee needs module from the People Reckoner tool. This presentation gives you an insight on the employee needs, how you could use it to request for office supplies and stationery, etc. And you could also view the requisition status, requisition approval, requisition item issued and its status and its reports. In this slide, you're going to see how you could request for an item by using the item name drop down list and the quantities which you need, and prioritizing the severity by using the severity drop down list. In this screen allows you to see the requisition status. By using the filters, you could see all the requisition status and the pending ones. This screen shows all the requisition which needs to be approved by the admin or the reporting authority. You could also mention the approved quantity and could state the remarks in this particular screen. This screen allows you to see the requisition issued status, and it could viewed one by one by clicking on the view button to see the complete status. This screen allows you to extract employee requisition report by using the specific date range and by also using the filters, and it can be downloaded in an Excel format. The next screen is the indent screen. Indent can be created and printed to have a count on the stock purchased from the vendor. The item receipt can be created for a particular indent number. Thus, the employee needs allows you to request for all the office supplies which an employee needs to do his day-to-day activities in the office, thus enabling the employee to get the right supplies at the right time at the right place, making sure employee saves a lot of time on paperwork, making sure he is available for operational work. So this particular module is master driven, so you could have your own items could be created, you could have your own severities, etc. can be created. For more details, please feel to give us a call on the below mentioned support number or log on to www.fastsightitsolution.com. Thank you.